How to save one time in WhatsApp 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to save one time in WhatsApp 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So this one time is the view once on the photo you have on WhatsApp. So let's right now head over to WhatsApp. And as you can see, this person has sent me a photo. So if I want to save that picture, what I need to do is just install a third-party screen recorder on my phone. As you can see, the screen recorder is running right now. So let's open this right here, click on OK, and as you can see, here it is. So to send media, we need to allow the permissions first. So let's allow the permissions to this camera and also to storage. Then let's head back again in here. So let's click on it, click on the three dots, and as you can see the save right here. So just click on save right there, and you should be able to save this successfully. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save one time in WhatsApp 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.